Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by narrowing where a talking panda could appear, and you do it fast. Visit nearby zoos, sanctuaries, or themed attractions and ask staff directly why. Because keepers control access and no scheduled interactions. Once done, scan social channels and event pages for mentions or live sessions. That tells you exact times. Make sure to prepare a brief introduction and permission request, plus your camera and audio gear, so you're ready the moment an opportunity opens. Now you verify whether a talking panda is real or staged. You'll want to know how and why before engaging. Start by examining any clips for obvious edits, cuts, inconsistent lip sync, or mismatched ambient sound indicate fakery. Next, speak with caretakers and ask concrete questions about training techniques or vocal devices. Knowledgeable staff will either explain or deflect. Once you're satisfied, test your own microphone placement and background noise control so your recording captures any genuine vocalization clearly. Finally, you arrange a supervised engagement and document everything carefully. Ask staff for a short, controlled session, record with a primary device and a backup to prevent data loss. Follow instructions closely and stop immediately if the animal shows stress. You must prioritize welfare over discovery. If the panda doesn't vocalize, don't leave empty-handed. Note behavior, precise audio levels, timestamps, and staff statements so you can analyze later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.